and welcome back to episode 6 of West Virginia Renovation, our 1930s Craftsman style remodel. In this episode, we're going to be working on installing a structural beam in the bathroom. At the current time, the bathroom is 5 feet by about 6.5 feet. The structural beam will allow us to open up that area and be able to have an 8 by 10 bathroom. The beam being put in is a 2 by 10 double 2 by 10 with 3/4 inch plywood. The beam is going to span just under 10 feet, so a 2 by 10 double 2 by 10 beam is plenty. And we'll also have an exposed beam, which hopefully we'll be able to close up with some barn siding or something of that sort to make it look nice. All right. We got our beam in. Allows us to open up the bathroom. It's 10 feet and 1/2 inch. So our bathroom will extend over this way. So right about there. Now that we have the beam installed into the bathroom, we've been able to open up that area, and now we can expand the exterior walls. The reason we needed to put a beam up in the bathroom, the old main part of the house actually was a weight-bearing wall. That's where the main roof of the house used to end before there was an addition put onto the home years ago. And since then, we've also torn the back roof off and put a new roof on the back, build up the side walls to make it an 8-foot ceiling throughout. So we needed to put the beam in to be able to take that load-bearing wall out and expand the bathroom. The bathroom is going to end up featuring, we're still trying to nail down all the details, but I think it's going to end up being just a big walk-in shower, nice double vanity, toilet in there, and then also a little storage cupboard or closet. The new construction is also going to allow us to put a heated bathroom floor in, and also some new lighting and a bathroom van, none of which were in the previous bathroom. It was just a old cast iron tub, very, very small vanity with a tiny little medicine cabinet mirror above it, and a toilet in there with no storage whatsoever in the bathroom. There were a couple of little cabinets that were on the wall, but they were actually above the tub, so it was pretty difficult to be able to use that for any sort of storage that was worthwhile. So there is a window in the bathroom currently that's probably going to be replaced with just a block window, so that way it does have a little bit of natural light, but obviously you don't want anybody to be able to see into the bathroom. The arch ceiling in the bathroom will also stay, and that'll be part of the shower itself. It should turn out to be pretty nice. I'm hopeful that it will. And with the new bathroom is also going to be the wall for the second bedroom, which will be the larger of the two bedrooms. Should end up being about 13 by 16 master bedroom with access to the bathroom through a small hallway. There's only going to be one bathroom for the residents, which does make it a little bit tight. However, this is a small home, so 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. I think it'll be a nice little layout. Kitchen's going to end up being about 12 by 12, which is also kind of built off of the center of the house, which is the bathroom. So we've got each bedroom comes off of the sides of the bath, and then the kitchen will be off the west side of the bathroom as well. I know in this project I haven't shown a whole lot of how-to videos. If that is something that anybody's interested, please below mention that in the comments. Anything that you'd like to see throughout this entire house, we're going to have insulation, wiring, plumbing, drains are going in, exterior work is going to occur, which is going to include soffits and fascia and gutters and The house has aluminum siding. We're going to paint that. We're going to clean it all up, paint it. We've got a couple little small spots that we need to repair in the siding, the aluminum siding, but it's still in really good shape, so we're going to be trying to work on getting that all cleaned up, be able to get it ready for paint, throw a new coat of paint on there. We've also got lighting that's going to be going in and flooring. So anything that if you want to know how to do something, please, in the comments below, first of all, please subscribe, like the video, and in the comments, just let me know anything that you want to see. If there's any how-to projects or any different materials that you'd like to see used, I'll be more than happy to see if that's something that we can do to make it look better and make the project nice, and we'll be more than happy to throw that in there. So thanks for watching, and again, if you can, subscribe and like the video. It really helps out the channel. And any comments, please put them below, and I'll be sure to reply to them as quick as I can. Thanks.